Thank you for choosing Ironside Computers. Today we're going to be doing a video demonstration of order number 814185. We're going to be shipping this computer shortly, but before we do, we're going to be showing you the internals of your computer and that each part is new and undamaged. And we're going to be running a quick stress test to show the computer is fully operational. If you have any questions, please contact us at customer service at ironsidecomputers.com. Take a look at the outside of your computer. For your case, you selected the NZXT Guardian Red. Now we're going to boot the computer up, and then we're going to take a look inside to show you the parts that you ordered. This is Windows 8.1 booting up on a 1TB 7200 RPM hard drive. Now that the computer is booted up, let's take a look inside. Taking a look inside your computer, first thing you'll notice is your Cooler Master Hyper 212 pulling your AMD A10-5800k processor. Beside that is 16GB of 1600 MHz RAM. For networking, you selected a 54 megabits per second network adapter. We've upgraded you to 300 megabits per second. And these components have all been installed on an MSI FM2-A55M-E33 motherboard. For lighting in the system, you selected a single red cold cathode, which has been installed on the top. And you also selected dual red Cooler Master sickle flows, which have been installed on your Cooler Master Hyper 212 and on the side panel for your case. For wire management in this system, you selected individually sleeved red cables. Powering your system is a standard 750 watt power supply. And for storage, you selected a 1TB 7200 RPM hard drive. Taking a look at the front of your computer, you have your power button and reset button. If you open this door, your DVD writer. On the left side of your PC, you have two USB 2.0 ports, your headphone and mic jack, and an eSATA. Taking a look at the back of your computer, starting from the top, you have two PS2 ports, two USB 3.0 ports, VGA, HDMI, two USB 2.0 ports, Ethernet, and your various audio jacks. And below that, we have the antennas for your 300 megabits per second wireless adapter. Taking a look at the desktop, now we're going to be showing you the parts of the computer you couldn't see. In system properties, you'll see Windows 8.1 as your operating system. Your processor is the AMD A10-5800k with 16 gigs of RAM. Now we're going to begin the stress test. This test is called Unigine Valley. It's designed to heavily stress the graphics card as well as the processor. We typically let this test run for up to 8 hours, but for this video we're going to be letting it run for about 2 to 3 minutes to show your computer is fully operational. Unigine Valley is a very intense test, and because you did select no graphics card on this system, the frames per second is going to be significantly lower than if you did have a dedicated graphics card. But as you can see, all the components in your computer are working properly and the computer is fully operational. Now we're going to be shutting down the system. And that will conclude this video. Again, if you have any questions, please contact us at customer service at ironsidecomputers.com.